gorgeous. It is always such a pleasure to see you. I hope that you're having a great day today. I'm sharing some lipstick hacks with you in this video. Some you may have heard, some you may not have heard, but if you're looking to try something new, then stay tuned. If you have a lipstick that you love, but the color doesn't last that long on your lips, I have a few of those. Something that you can do to help it last longer is to turn it into a stain. And the way that you do this is you take a fluffy brush and you press it into your lips. Pressing the lipstick into your lips will not only help it to last longer, but this can also help to tone down a more vibrant shade. So let's say you have a really intense fuchsia and you don't want to have an intense look that day. You want a version of that. Just taking a small amount of the color, pressing it into your lips will give the color to your lips, but it won't be as intense. And then after you have done that, simply apply a lip balm, blend, and this will help to soften the color further. If you struggle with removing your lipstick at the end of the day, use an oil-based cleanser. Oil dissolves oil. Most lipsticks contain oil, which is why they tell you to use oil to remove them. And not only does it help to remove lipstick seamlessly, but it will leave your lips and skin hydrated instead of using stripping oils that are found in most makeup removers. I also want to mention that you want to avoid using alcohol-based cleansing oils. They do exist, but just pay attention to the ingredients and they're pretty easy to spot. If you are looking for some recommendations, I always recommend coconut oil. That is my top favorite when it comes to removing stubborn makeup, lipstick especially, and it's really cheap, easy to find, usually in the grocery store aisle next to the olive oil in that section. If you're looking for actual product recommendations, I would highly recommend the Burt's Bees Facial Cleansing Oil or Paula's Choice Perfect Cleansing Oil. Either one of those are great options and they will take everything off beautifully. Another tip I have to share with you is use your finger to blend your lip liner after application. Not only will this help it to not look as harsh, it gives it a more diffused, natural look to the lips, but it also helps to make your lips look a little bit bigger. That's the one thing I miss about pregnancy was how my lips swelled. Every single pregnancy, I noticed my lips got so much juicier and bigger and I loved it. It was awesome. Nobody ever told me about that side effect. Another thing that you can do is to apply primer around the perimeter of your lips to eliminate feathering. So if you've had a lipstick that has given you nothing but trouble, try applying a primer first, just like you would your eyeshadow, and it will help to keep everything in place. If you want your lipstick to last longer, something that you can do is to apply the lipstick, blot it with a tissue, dust a little bit of translucent powder over the top, and then apply it again. And this really does work wonders at keeping the lipstick intact. You can also, instead of using a setting powder after you did the first application, you can also apply a little bit of setting spray, allow that to dry, and then apply another layer of lipstick, and that will also help to lock everything in place. If you happen to break a lipstick bullet, has this ever happened to you? It's happened to me. Really easy fix for you. Take the end of the lipstick, hold it over a flame, a lighter, let it melt for a few seconds. Don't hold it there too long because it really doesn't take long. When you get that melted part going, stick it right back on the part that it broke off of. Let it sit for a few minutes. You can also pop it in the refrigerator if you want, and it will be as good as new. Not as good as new, but it'll be fixed and you can continue using it. Let me know what your most favorite lipstick hack is. If there is something that you do that has helped to truly transform how your lipstick stays on, how you apply it, how you may have fixed it, anything that you've done in terms of lipstick, feel free to share yours below as well. Would love to hear your unique lipstick hacks. Thank you for being here, for taking the time to watch today, and I look forward to seeing you again for another video very soon.